So I got this little watch. It says Baronet on it. So it's a Swiss watch and it's been heavily water damaged. The hands are completely rusted, as you can see, and the movement part of the main plate is rusted on the side of it, but it seems like most of the wheels are free, which is good. So I'm gonna take it apart and do a quick and dirty disassembly and just a quick oil on it. It's missing one of the screws on the gear train bridge. Well, we'll see. We'll see if it runs. Maybe I'll put it back together. There's rust on the face. Maybe I'll put it back together. It'll be just kind of like a knock around. All right, thanks. And if you're wondering what watch I'm wearing, if you're noticing my watch and kind of being curious during the video, I'm wearing my Wittenauer automatic. It's got a sub-seconds, and I like this watch. I put a oyster style Bulova bracelet on it. All right, let's get started. All right, there we have it. Got it back together and it seems to be ticking pretty well. It's got nice amplitude. It doesn't seem to be getting caught up. I just put oil on all the pivots and whatnot and it's working well. I'll put it back in the case and walk around, show you guys what it looks like. I think I might keep it sort of the way it is. Keep the patina on it. The kind of rusted hands give it a little bit of character. All right, thanks again for watching. Take care.